Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this quest. It says fashion shop now open. During any fashion wave, you can redeem fashion rewards at Azur's fashion store. So you are going to select the fashion wave section and you're going to select the fashion wave store, and basically you're going to purchase any of these items to complete the quest. Yes, you do have to do that. You are able to refresh it with this much money, but I'm just going to purchase this coat because this coat, I don't know. Oh, it says snowflake trim down jacket for 2020 of these fashion wave tokens, which I have another video on how you can get these. So purchase it, and that is it. You'll get these items. If you don't want to do the quest, that's fine. You can wait until you have until like she sells like what you want in store. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.